If you're not gutter clean this fall, you're already losing money. Here's the gear that turns gutters into guaranteed profit. First up is the XERO Gutter Vac Pack. 3 vacuum motors and a 30-foot carbon fiber pole. Clean 2-story gutters safely from the ground. No sketchy ladders and no wasted time. Next up is the XERO Gutter Gizmo. Scoop debris toward you, hook it under gutter hangers, and it's Acme threaded, so it can screw onto most poles. And the XERO Gutter Cleaner was made for the fast lock system. This snap-on tool pushes debris through the gutter to clear clogs, lightweight and tough enough for daily use. The gutter cleaning kit has everything you need to start gutter cleaning right away. It comes with a 47-inch pole, a spade, and a scooper. Use the spade to scrape debris from the back corners, then scoop it out with the gutter getter. It even has a hook, so you can hang your pole while you move the ladder. Another good scooper is the GAIM Wedge Scoop. Its mesh cutout screen lets water drain out the back while holding debris. You can add a few other Acme threaded tools into the mix. The Gutter Tool Spoon strains water while scooping debris. The Gutter Sense tool lets you grab leaves without getting on a ladder using the built-in pulley system. And the Easy Smart Mini Rake has a pivoting head to clear tricky roof angles. And once the gutters are clean, drop a gutter stick into the downspout to keep debris out and the water flowing right. And the GAIM Wedge Guard pushes debris up and out so it dries and blows away. Let the tools do the dirty work while you cash in. Gear up for the fall season at windowcleaner.com.